Okay, let's link this up to the app. So I've turned it on. I have downloaded the app, Proscenic there. I had to give my email address in. They sent me a code. Then I picked a password. So now we need to add it. F20. I need to hold the power button for 5 seconds.
Wi-Fi reset. Entering network configuration mode.
The Wi-Fi symbol is flashing there as well. So please, okay, confirm. It's flashing. It only runs on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Just need to put my password in. I'll do that off camera. I've put my password in. Press next. Let's boy up Proscenic. Click that. And there we are. We are connected. It's letting us know that I haven't used it yet, but it's letting me know that clean water tank is normal, dirty water tank. That's smart mode, max mode.
Max mode.
Okay, so you could control the modes from the app as well.
Disinfection mode. Please make sure there is water.
I'm cancelling that because
Smart mode.
I'm cancelling that because there's no water in the tanks at the moment.